Hi guys, welcome to another video. So who's ready to see what is behind door number 10? So we're 10 days away from Christmas now. Not long now, guys. So here is number 10. Ooh, this one looks pretty. I'm liking the look of this one. Wow, these are so hard to get out. Oh, I ripped it again. Look at this one, guys. Look at that. That looks so pretty. So this one is called Under the Stars. Ooh, I like this. It's a pretty glittery blue one. Let's get it swatched, shall we? That is so pretty. So that's after one coat. Let me show you it on a white background. Can you see it's quite jellified? I like that. We'll see what it's like after two coats, shall we? Yeah, that is beautiful. Look at that. Really, really pretty jelly blue. Can you see? It's got that kind of jelly effect to it, but it's crystal clear. It's not cloudy or anything. A lot of glittery gel polishes that I've tried are quite thick, but that's still a really nice thin consistency. It's so pretty. I love that. So there we are, guys. That is what was behind door number 10, Under the Stars. Gorgeous, gorgeous glittery blue. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. And I hope to see you in tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye.